Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Got my new screen.
For you. She do a video for you?
I'm not taking it. That's the result.
I'm being honest.
Nothing.
Problem.
I don't know where this. You can break it again. But come back and you need to buy another.
What in the world is nothing phone? Nothing phone is a nothing.
I know something like
And just like that, they replaced my screen for the new one and my lens from yesterday's fall. Obviously did not tell them that, but next one I need to pay when I broke the screen.